Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover a deleted plan here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Unfortunately, Microsoft Planner does not provide a direct option to recover a deleted plan. You see, when you go to the plans on the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the plans that you have deleted or accidentally deleted, click on this three dots icon here. Right? There's going to be an option here that says delete this plan. You will be notified that you are about to permanently delete this plan and all of its tasks, all right? And if you understand that this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted, you cannot have the option to recover that within the application. All right. Now, before you delete a plan, make sure you have a backup copy of the plans. Whatever you delete that accidentally or delete that intentionally, for you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the drop-down menu and make it a habit to export of the plan to Excel, wherein you're going to have a backup data of your plan. For example, you have a task here, all right? Now, you want to make sure that you copy this task, all right? Copy, make it a habit to copy all the information here in this section. Copy, and then, of course, again, go to the drop-down menu and click on the export plan to Excel. Now, the last option is if the deletion was recent and you have no backup or no way to recover the plan, you might want to contact the customer support here in Microsoft. All right. Of course, all you have to do is select the product that you need help with, and that's going to be Microsoft 365. From here, click on these options. You can get home support, get business support, and you'd notice that they will give you some troubleshooting steps or technical guidance on how to potentially recover the plan that you have recently deleted. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.